Good morning. Good morning. I've already taken my bonnet off and I am going to take this wrap from around my edges because I'm still trying to protect my edges from the bonnet rubbing on it at night. And I just wanted to come in and say good morning to you. I am trying to hold out for my shampoo next week from Kim when I go in to get my retightening done. So last night I braided and banded my hair, but I braided and banded my hair in hopes of a nice braid out today. I have another day off from the salon and we'll be spending some time with family. If you've been watching my videos, then you know how much I love spending time with my family. It brings me so much joy. But I just wanted to come in and say hello to you and thank you, subscribers, for your support. I have not been uploading a lot of videos because I've been somewhat busy doing the Ganny thing, and that's what my children or my grandchildren call me, Ganny. And I have had 4 of them at different points in time during the summer. And once they leave, I just like to have my downtime because they can take so much of my energy, though I enjoy them so much while they are here. Now, if you're watching this video right now and you have not subscribed to my channel yet, my question to you is, what are you waiting on? What are you waiting on? Come on and join the Gene G family. I want you to know that we would love to have you to join us, interact, ask questions, make comments. Just talk to me, interact with me. That's what I like the most. I really do. I want you to know that when I braid my hair now, I try to braid all the way down to the bottom and braid it a little bit tight so that my ends are not thick. Because since I got my hair cut, and I can put a clip to that haircut video right here in the cards, I realized that my hair was cut at the point where my hair was already locked. And it was thicker there. So I don't want it to get any thicker from the shed hair moving all the way down to my ends. I do not like fat ends. Fat ends make it, and I say fat, but thicker ends make it a little bit more difficult for the loctician to pull the hair through in that last rotation. Yeah, it's like a tug. And sometimes you just need to stop and not do it. And I don't want that to happen to me because of me not taking care of my ends. I spend more time with my hair than my loctician. And I need to pay attention to what's going on with it. So pay attention to what's going on with your hair, because one thing that I noticed over time, and I don't know why it happened, was that, but I do believe it was my bonnet, was the thinning here on my edge. But it seems to be coming back, if you notice. Here, I can pull my hair all the way out to here, let you get a close-up of it. Yeah, especially since I've been protecting my edges at night from my bonnet. You have to come up with ways that you can take care of your hair during the interim. When I say interim, I mean during the time in between your retightening and your lock maintenance with your loctician. Your loctician is not completely responsible for the hair that grows out of your hair. My loctician is not completely responsible for the hair that grows out of my hair. If I am having any issues or challenges, I will let her know and ask questions. What can I do? Did you notice what I noticed? What would you do if this was going on with your locks? Talk. Don't just sit there and have a quiet retightening session. Go with your questions written if you think you won't remember while she's working. Yeah. Ask those questions. You pay her not only to retighten your hair, but also to take care of your hair. Now, if you let it go too long, you may have to schedule a repair session, and that is extra because she can't do it within the time that's been allotted for your retightening. So make sure you pay attention to what's going on to your hair and get those things addressed or repaired. Yeah. This is my hair today. Now, if you know me, then you know that, okay, my hair is not completely styled right now. So I'm going to pause for a second. And during this pause, I want you to think, if you've been watching my videos, what am I going to do now? What am I going to do now? Because I'm saying my hair is not completely styled. What's my next step? Okay, I'm not going to keep you in suspense any longer. If you did not answer within the comments during this time what my next step is going to be, I am going to show you. I did that because I braided my hair over to the left, and I believe that when I flip it over to the right, it gives me a little bit more fullness. So you just saw two different hairstyles. And I'm going to show you one more that some people seem to like on me, and I don't like to wear. The center part. Yeah, it's not that I hate it. It's just that I don't believe that this is my best look. And that's why I never wear that center part. I may play around with it a little bit, but I don't wear it. I don't. And today, I'm not going to wear it. I'm going to go ahead and do my flip. And when I'm doing this, I am separating my roots because if my nails get caught in a section, then I know that those hairs at my root are trying to marry, I am going to suggest that during the time when you are alone with your locks, that you take the time sometime to just go through it and separate them. Yeah, some people need to do it as like this, and sometimes all you need to do is pull. Other times you need to take your nails or your fingers and go through them separately so that you have no issues when you go to your loctician. Like these two right here are trying to come together. Right. And I'm going to just take my time and pull that one apart. There, it felt like two hairs that was holding those together. And if you don't, then your loctician has to do that. That's extra time. Pay attention to what's going on with your hair. It does belong to you. This is a sister who loves her locks. I love my friends, my family, my subscribers, and my followers. But I especially love God because He's been so good to me. He blesses me, seen and unseen. And I want you to see my jewelry again. I'm still wearing my Kendra Scott jewelry. This is the paperclip necklace. And this one has that little white pendant. And since I'm wearing a white shirt, I'm wearing it again. And I will put a link to these because I can't remember where I purchased them. Well, the brand, but I did get these from Amazon. I like them so much. I love them on me. I love the simplicity of it. And I am also going to show you my outfit of the day. See you in a little bit. Okay, guys, first thing I want you to know is that I have on a white top. I don't know the name brand of this top right now. Yes, I do. It's an Ann Taylor top. It is linen. I have rolled up the sleeves and tied the waistline because I'm wearing a high-waisted top. The waistline is tied, button down, and I'm going to fold it under like this. If it comes out, it's okay. And then I have on my black Banana Republic wide leg jeans. I've been wearing these now for over a year, but this is what it looks like. And I'm going to come back and show you the purse that I will be wearing today. I think I'm just going to wear a purse that has a little pop of color. So I'm going to let you see that as well. This purse that I'm carrying today is by Dune. I've just fallen in love with some top handle purses. I didn't have any before, and now I have at least two. Yesterday I carried the one that was blue with, I think, 3 tones of blue, which reminds me of denim. And this is the one that I'm going to carry today that has a pop of color right on the top. And it has a little change purse that's attached to it that I'm going to put inside. I have nothing in here right now. Just wanted to share this look with you. And then I'm going to switch out things from what I had in my purse yesterday. But I wanted you to see this look. And if I remember correctly, I do. in here is a long strap, so I can also wear it as a crossbody. So if we go shopping today while we're out, I will wear it as a crossbody to free my hands. So this is going to be my look, and it snaps closed easily for today. And I bought this purse from TJ Maxx, and the name brand is Dune, D-U-N-E. Enjoy your day. I forgot to show you my Sam Edelman white, I guess, dong sandals.
You're too long, the light's too long.
I hope everybody's okay.